According to recent studies, the answer could well lie in Japan. The Japanese top the global table for life expectancy. On average, they can expect to live for 83.7 years. And this week, they hit another milestone, as it was revealed that the number of Japanese people aged 90 or over has hit the 2 million mark for the first time. So, what is it that they're putting in the water in Japan? Have they found a mainstream supply to the fountain of youth? Number 1. They eat a lot of vegetables. Traditionally, the Japanese eat lots of rice, veg and fish, generally in that order, and Japan's infatuation with fermented soy and seaweed means they have no lack of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial phytochemicals. Unfortunately, from the 19th century onward, there has been an increase in unhealthy Western habits, breaded and battered meats and more recently, white bread, refined sugars, and copious amounts of sweets. Number 2. They cook their food differently. Tempura, tonkatsu and croquettes notwithstanding, Japanese food involves a lot of steaming, pan grilling, broiling, stir-frying, slow cooking, and fermenting. They also have a habit of making at least one bowl of soup, and usually they prepare small dishes. It helps when they couple their veg and fish intake with lots of fiber from beans, rice, and often beans and rice. Number 3. They drink a lot of tea. While coffee isn't necessarily bad, there's a huge tea drinking culture in Japan, and good quality Japanese tea contains far more antioxidants than coffee. This is especially true for Japan's tea time specialty, matcha, which is a fine, and often expensive, powdered tea made of young leaves grown specifically to increase their chlorophyll and antioxidant content by depriving them of sunlight. They've got morning exercise. Japan literally has on-the-air exercise routines that are completed in massive groups every morning. The majority of Japanese partake, and there are several degrees of difficulty for different people. Originally a now-defunct MetLife Incorporated product straight out of Massachusetts, visiting Japanese employees of the Ministry of Communications and Transportation brought radio calisthenics to Japan in the 1920s. Okay guys, do you follow any of this? Leave a comment with us. If you not, then follow the tips. Hope your life will be great. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.